Welcome to our tutorial about inserting notes. First of all, we need to lock the focus on our sheet. Let's right-click on the sheet and select Lock Sheet Focus. You can achieve the same thing by double-clicking on the sheet. Next, in the Annotation toolbar, select Note, or simply right-click, Annotations, and Note. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle somewhere here. And let's type in my text. My text. The formatting capability is pretty similar to common text editing applications. For example, we've got indent capabilities, bullets, numbered lists, etc. Font size and color, bolding, etc. Here's an indent to the right. Here's a bulleted list. This button here activates a stack format. Let's say 1 divided by 5. OK. And let's enter 1 by 5. We can use different styles, different alignments. OK. Now let's scroll down the Note Property Manager. Here are border options. A box, for example. And let's click OK. We can grab our note and drag it around the graphic area. Or we have the option to lock our note in place. See, I'm not able to drag it now. Let's click OK. This concludes our tutorial about inserting and editing notes.